We're diving into the future of project management, covering everything from generative AI to constantly changing digital tools. This session is packed with actionable tips, real-world examples, and a sprinkle of humor. So let's get started. Imagine a world where project management is as smooth as butter. That's what we're aiming for today. Let's kick things off with the first big trend: generative AI in project management. Ever felt like you needed a clone to get through all your tasks? Enter generative AI. This game changer uses machine learning to automate tasks, optimize resources, and even predict project outcomes. Picture this. Your AI assistant not only schedules meetings, but also suggests the best times based on team availability and past productivity data. Tools like Monday.com are already leveraging this technology, making project managers' lives a breeze. Hybrid project management methodologies. Now let's talk about hybrid methodologies. It's like the best of both worlds, traditional and agile. For instance, take Acme Corp, which blended Scrum with a Gantt chart approach for their latest project. The result? A 20% increase in efficiency. Hybrid methodologies offer flexibility, allowing teams to adapt to changes while keeping an eye on long-term goals. Advanced resource management software. Gone are the days of juggling spreadsheets. Advanced resource management software like Smartsheet and Asana are revolutionizing how we allocate resources. These tools use AI to predict resource needs and optimize allocation, ensuring no team member is overworked. Think of it as having a personal trainer for your project resources. Remote and contract work preferences. Remote work is here to stay, and adaptive leadership is more crucial than ever. Tools like Zoom and Slack have become the new norm, enabling teams to collaborate seamlessly from anywhere, unlocking the power of generative AI in project management. Welcome to our podcast. We dive into unlocking the power of generative AI in project management. This episode is packed with insights on how generative AI is revolutionizing the way we manage projects. So grab your coffee and stay tuned. Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps, never tires, and can process vast amounts of data in seconds. That's generative AI for you. Today, we're exploring how this groundbreaking technology is transforming project management. From automating tasks to optimizing resources and enhancing decision-making, generative AI is a game changer. Automation of routine tasks. Generative AI takes over repetitive tasks, freeing up project managers to focus on strategic planning. Let's take the example of a construction project. AI can handle scheduling, monitoring supplies, and even predicting delays. It's like having a super efficient project manager by your side. Resource optimization. Ever struggled with allocating resources effectively? Generative AI analyzes vast amounts of data to determine the best resource allocation, ensuring optimal productivity. Think of it as a chess grandmaster, planning several moves ahead to ensure the best outcomes. Enhanced decision-making. Data-driven decision-making is the future. Generative AI provides project managers with insights and recommendations based on real-time data analysis. Consider a marketing campaign. AI can predict consumer behavior trends and suggest the best strategies to engage the target audience. Real-time monitoring and adjustments. Projects are dynamic and conditions change rapidly. Generative AI can monitor project progress in real time, making adjustments on the fly. This adaptability ensures projects stay on track and within budget. Imagine a ship with an autopilot system that adjusts course based on weather conditions. Mastering hybrid project management methodologies, we're diving into emerging trends and hacks in hybrid project management methodologies. Ready to master the blend of traditional and agile techniques? Let's get into it. Hybrid project management is like cooking the perfect dish, blending the best ingredients from traditional and agile methodologies to create a masterpiece. We've got some juicy trends and hacks for you today, along with stories to spice things up. Flexible frameworks. Picture this. You're working on a massive project, and halfway through, the client changes the requirements. Ever happened to you? With hybrid methodologies, you're not rigidly stuck in one framework. You can pivot like a seasoned salsa dancer. It's all about adaptability. One moment, you're waterfall. The next, you're agile. Balancing predictability and flexibility. Think of it as walking a tightrope, needing the balance of predictability with the flexibility to adapt. Ever heard of the PM who swore by GAN? TT charts, but also conducted daily stand-ups? That's hybrid management for you. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Enhanced collaboration. In a hybrid model, teams are often cross-functional, bringing together diverse talents. Remember the case of tech solutions? They combined their creative and development teams, leading to innovative solutions that won multiple awards. Two heads or more are indeed better than one. Real-time adaptations. Hybrid methodologies allow for real-time project adjustments. Imagine driving a car that can switch between manual and automatic based on road conditions. You're equipped to handle changes without halting the entire project. Improved resource allocation. Ever felt like you're spreading your team too thin? Hybrid methods optimize resource allocation. Use Agile for tasks that require quick turnarounds and traditional methods for those that need detailed planning. Advanced resource management software. The future of project management, emerging trends and hacks in advanced resource management software. Trust me, you're in for an insightful and entertaining session. So, grab a seat and let's jump right in. We all know that managing resources effectively can make or break a project. But what if I told you there are tools out there now that can do the heavy lifting for you? Enter advanced resource management software. This isn't just software. It's like having a magic wand that optimizes your resources and boosts efficiency. AI-powered resource allocation. Remember that time you had to manually allocate resources and ended up with overworked employees and unused assets? Well, AI is here to save the day. AI algorithms can analyze data and allocate resources in the most efficient way. For example, software like Monday.com uses AI to predict resource needs and allocate them where they're needed most. Real-time collaboration tools. Imagine working on a project where everyone is on the same page, literally. Tools like Asana and Trello offer real-time collaboration, ensuring everyone knows what's happening at all times. No more, I didn't get the memo moments. Predictive analytics. Ever wish you could foresee project hiccups before they happen? Predictive analytics can analyze past project data to predict future bottlenecks. Tools like Smartsheet are leveraging this technology to help project managers stay one step ahead. Integration capabilities. Remember the good old days of switching between countless apps just to get one task done? Today's software integrates seamlessly with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom. Project management software like Rike is a hub that connects all your tools in one place. Resource forecasting. Wondering if you'll have enough resources for that big project next quarter? Resource forecasting tools can help you plan ahead. Navigating remote and contract work in project management. Navigating remote and contract work in project management. This topic is hotter than a mid-July barbecue, and we're here to cook up some delicious insights for you. So, let's dig in. Remote work, contract work, it's like the new peanut butter and jelly of the professional world. It's everywhere, and it's deliciously complex. We'll dive into the trends, the hacks, and everything in between. Flexibility is key. Remember when 9 to 5 was the norm? Well, that's ancient history. Flexible hours are the new gold standard. Take Anna, a project manager in Berlin, who manages a team spread across 5 time zones. Her secret sauce? Flex hours. It's about working when you're most productive, not when the clock says you should. Tech-driven collaboration. Let's talk tech. Tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams are the backbone of remote collaboration. There's Raj, who started virtual stand-up meetings to keep everyone in sync. No more "I missed the memo" excuses. Tech bridges the gaps that distance creates. Contract work is the new black. Contract work isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. Companies like Google and Apple are hiring top talent on a contract basis, keeping their operations lean and mean. It's like dating instead of marrying. Commitment, but with flexibility. Culture matters. You can't spell remote without team culture. James from Toronto hosts virtual game nights, turning coworkers into friends. This camaraderie boosts morale and productivity. After all, who doesn't love a good round of virtual charades? Security first. Working remotely means being vigilant about security. Tools like VPNs and encrypted communication platforms are essential. Laura, a security expert, says, better to be safe online than sorry offline. Secure your data, secure your work, performance over presence. It's not about being seen, it's about delivering results. Navigating the latest digital tools in project management. emerging trends and hacks in constantly changing digital tools, technology. Hold on to your seats. This is going to be a wild ride through the ever-evolving landscape of project management. All right, folks, let's get started. Digital tools are changing faster than you can say project management, but fear not. We're here to help you navigate these choppy waters. So let's dive into some emerging trends and hacks that are making waves. AI-powered project management tools. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps and always knows the next best move. That's AI for you. Tools like Asana and Trello now come with AI features that predict potential roadblocks and suggest solutions before you even know there's a problem. I call it my psychic project manager. Real-time collaboration tools. Who hasn't faced the nightmare of version control? Enter real-time collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams and Slack. These platforms keep everyone on the same page, quite literally. Case in point, a multinational team completed a complex project without a single email, all thanks to real-time collaboration. Enhanced security features. With great data comes great responsibility. Advanced security features and tools like Basecamp ensure your project data is safe from prying eyes. Think of it as your digital fortress, protecting your precious project data. Predictive analytics. Ever wish you had a crystal ball? Predictive analytics tools like Smartsheet can forecast future project challenges based on historical data. It's like having a weather forecast for your projects. No more getting caught in unexpected storms. Customizable dashboards. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all dashboards. Tools like Airtable allow you to customize your project views so you see exactly what you need when you need it. It's like having a tailor-made suit, but for your project data. Maximizing project value with a Value Management Office, emerging trends and hacks in Value Management Office, VMO. Buckle up because we're about to dive into some game-changing strategies that will transform how you manage projects. So what exactly is a Value Management Office? Picture this. It's like having a command center that ensures every project aligns with your strategic goals, delivering maximum value. But how do you set one up and make it effective? Let's explore. Strategic alignment. Remember that time when your project's goals were a bit fuzzy? Establishing a VMO helps ensure that every project is aligned with the organization's strategic objectives. It's like having a GPS for your projects, keeping you on the right path. Companies like Google use VMOs to stay laser-focused on their big picture goals. Resource optimization. Ever felt like you're juggling too many balls? VMOs optimize resources, making sure they're allocated where they're needed most. Take Microsoft, for instance. Their VMO ensures that resources are used efficiently, reducing wastage and boosting productivity. Enhanced decision-making. Decision-making can be daunting. VMOs provide data-driven insights that enhance decision-making processes. Imagine having a crystal ball that tells you the potential outcomes of different decisions. That's the power of a VMO. Risk management. Risks are part and parcel of projects. A VMO identifies potential risks and develops mitigation strategies. Remember that time your project hit a snag and you wished you'd seen it coming? A VMO makes that possible. Performance metrics. How do you know if your project is on track? VMOs track performance metrics, providing real-time updates. It's like having a fitness tracker for your projects, showing you where you're excelling and where you need improvement. Stakeholder engagement. Keeping stakeholders happy can be a challenge. VMOs ensure continuous engagement, keeping stakeholders informed and involved. AI-driven resource optimization in project management, emerging trends and hacks in AI for resource optimization. Buckle up because we've got an exciting ride ahead, packed with insights, humor, and some real-world stories. Get your popcorn ready. AI is changing the game in project management, especially when it comes to resource optimization. Let's break down some impactful trends and hacks that will revolutionize how you manage resources. AI-powered resource allocation. Remember the days when you had to manually allocate resources and it felt like herding cats? Not anymore. AI algorithms now analyze data to allocate resources efficiently. For example, tools like Monday.com predict resource needs and allocate them where they're needed most. Imagine having a personal assistant who never gets tired. Real-time data analytics. Ever wish you had a crystal ball to predict project bottlenecks? AI-driven tools like Smartsheet use real-time data analytics to give you insights into potent tile issues before they become problems. It's like having a sixth sense for project management. Predictive maintenance. Here's a fun fact. AI can predict when your equipment might fail and schedule maintenance before it happens. Tools like IBM Maximo are making predictive maintenance a reality, saving time, money, and a lot of headaches. Enhanced collaboration. AI isn't just for crunching numbers. Platforms like Asana use AI to enhance collaboration, ensuring everyone's on the same page. No more "I didn't get the memo" moments. Automated task management. Imagine all your mundane tasks being taken care of automatically. Tools like ClickUp automate routine tasks, freeing up your time for strategic thinking. Think of it as your personal army of worker bees. Resource forecasting. Wondering if you'll have enough resources for that big project next quarter? AI-driven resource forecasting tools can help you plan ahead. Integrating communication into project plans for success. Emerging trends and hacks in communication integration in project plans. Ready for a fun and informative ride? Grab your coffee and let's get started. Let's face it, communication can make or break a project, but integrating communication strategies into project plans can transform chaos into harmony. Let's dive into some emerging trends and practical hacks for making communication seamless. Real-time communication tools. Ever been left out of the loop because you missed that crucial email? Tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams offer real-time communication, ensuring everyone is up to date. A colleague once joked that Slack was his lifeline, and honestly, he wasn't kidding. Real-time updates mean no more "oh, I didn't see that email" excuses. Collaborative platforms. Imagine working on a project where everyone can contribute ideas in one place. Platforms like Miro and Trello are changing the game. Take Sarah's team, for example. They use Trello for project management. It's a digital workspace where everyone's ideas are valued, making collaboration a breeze. Integrated communication channels. Gone are the days of switching between apps. Modern project management tools now integrate communication channels. Tools like Asana and ClickUp bring emails, chat, and project updates under one roof. Remember that time you had to juggle 10 different apps? Yeah, not fun. Integration simplifies life. Video conferencing integration, face-to-face communication, even virtually, makes a difference. Integrating video conferencing tools like Zoom into project plans enhances collaboration. Picture this: virtual brainstorming sessions where you can see everyone's reactions in real time. It's like being in the same room, minus the commute. Automated reminders and updates. Keeping track of deadlines can be a nightmare. Tools like Monday.com send automated reminders and updates. The synergy of project management and change management. The synergy of project management and change management. Buckle up, because we're diving into how these two disciplines can work together for remarkable success. Ready for a mix of anecdotes, case studies, and a dash of humor? Let's go. All right, folks, project management and change management, two sides of the same coin, yet often treated as separate entities. Imagine having a superhero duo on your team. That's what combining these two can feel like. Unified vision. Remember that time when your project team and the change management team were on entirely different pages? A unified vision can align both, ensuring everyone works towards the same goals. For example, a company-wide software rollout can benefit from a clear vision shared by both teams, minimizing confusion and maximizing efficiency. Stakeholder engagement. Who else loves it when stakeholders actually understand what's going on? Engaging stakeholders from the get-go with a combined approach ensures their needs are met. Take IBM's Global Restructuring Initiative. By integrating change management, they kept stakeholders in the loop, avoiding major pitfalls. Communication strategies. Ever played the game of telephone? Miscommunication is its middle name. Integrating communication strategies into project plans ensures everyone gets the same message. Picture this. During a major merger, a unified communication plan kept teams informed and rumors at bay, just like a well-oiled machine. Training programs. Training can be a drag, right? Not if it's well coordinated. Combining efforts ensures training programs are relevant and timely. During a digital transformation at a multinational bank, synchronized training programs ensured everyone knew the new system inside out, making the transition smoother than a jazz solo. Risk management. Risks are like that uninvited guest who always shows up. Integrated risk management can identify potential issues early.